Hey y'all, it's Kevin, and it's a beautiful day, so I got the window open, so if you hear things outside, just ignore it. Thanks for coming to the premiere. I was going to do live. I plan on doing live regular from here on out, but technical difficulties, blah blah blah, led to just doing a premiere today. So we're just going to open some cards and see what we can do. Some of y'all know I hit a gravity pack Wemby, so I quit buying the gravity packs because I'll tell you something. I build sets. I'm building a set of Donruss. I just built a set of hoops. And when you're building a set, I've found it's detrimental to buy just gravity packs. I swear there are some cards that just aren't, some base card runs that just are not in the gravity packs, or at least not common, because I would be missing whole gaps, especially of rookies. And then I buy one fat pack or a few retail packs and I get exactly the ones I was missing. And Josh Giddy. Price sensible, but I did get the yellow border Wemby. I would like to get this Wemby. Did get a rated rookie though. I think that's all they come in. I'm not sure. I of course took that Wemby, looked it up to comp it on eBay. It was kind of late at night. There was one up for auction that was ending about 8 o'clock the following morning. And there was one sitting there by it now for, oh look, I got points. How about that? I haven't gotten points in a long time. Oh, whoa, sweet. Alright then. Victor Wemby, Wemby. And 150 points. I'll blur that out. 150 points. Not bad. Not bad for a $4 retail pack. God, I can't believe how much I open and I rarely ever get any points. So anyway, I sold it by waking up the next morning, right about the time the auction ended. The auction ended for $108 plus so and so much for postage. The one that was posted for $120 with free shipping was still sitting there. I put mine up for $110 plus $8 postage and sold it within 30 minutes. And I think that's how you do things. And if it goes up more and stays up, so be it. Jamie Jacques, I don't know how you say his name. I haven't watched him play at all, but he seems to be pretty popular. Podzimski, not the rated rookie I want. So I'm hoping to get a base Wemby because I still don't have a base Wemby for the set. At least I don't think I do. I may be forgetting. I was so excited to get that yellow border. Kobe Brown and Vince Carter. Well, I figured this would be a good way to start, especially if I got a Wemby, which I did. Fortunately, it's not a rated rookie, but that's fine. I'll take it either way. And Tyler Hero, and he's not a rated rookie, so that's not all they have. All right. So, yeah, that's the way I do things when I get a high dollar, high hyped card. I mean, yeah, Wemby may be that exception that does not come down in the off season, but that would be very exceptional. Because most any card comes down after the initial hype and the season is over. As most of you know, I'm sure. So I wouldn't be surprised if come about October I couldn't buy that card back for about 50. Watch and see. But I wouldn't buy that one anyway. If I was going to buy one, I would buy the Prism. And that's what I'd like to get. But, well, yeah, that one you got to play the lottery for, because, you know, you might can open a 4 or 5 mega boxes and get one. Because I think they're going for $800 or something like that for a silver Wemby. That's a little much. Alright, on to the main part of the show. We got one hobby pack, because that was all that I could get. And from Fanatics, which I don't think makes a difference, because there's no Fanatics logo or anything. It's just a typical value box, or blaster, as we know. So get that done. I think what I'm going to do in this spot from now on, Saturday nights, 8:30 p.m. Eastern time for the time being, is do a live spot, have a guest every week, and talk about our favorite things in cards, comics, movies, TV, things related to fandom, basically, because I do it all. Sports cards and everything else. As you can see, there's Lorcana, there's rock and roll cards, there's the Ducks, which I am going to do a special episode, so make sure you're subscribed if you're interested in any of the wild, crazy collectibles I'm going to be talking about. But I'll be doing episodes of, man, I just inked the heck out that card. Whoops. Yeah, well, it happens. Oh my God. How close was that? No damage. Oh. Yeah, looks good. Alright, well, that's a good one to hit right off the bat. And yeah, we'll just talk about a few of our favorite things, as they say. It's a cool Mickey. Still don't know what this insert set's called. Huh. And Josh Young on the silver rainbow foil, which I need quite a few of them. Oh, save that one. And still need, after a hobby box, this is second blaster box. There's our orange electric Nathaniel Lowe. There. Alan Winans. Kellenic. We got here Louis Castillo orange foil, number 233. I might get those. We got an Austin Riley to the moon. To the moon. Alice to the moon. And a Blake Snell rainbow foil. Okay, I don't have room for all these different things. Put that in the same stack there. Insert stack. Parallel stack. Who do we have on this foil? Sonny Gray. Taylor Ward. Knight. Rafaela. He has promise. Baxter. Already got you, man. And Sonny Gray. We don't get any guarantees in the value box anymore, do we? Just the 5 electric orange parallels, or whatever it is they call them. Jason Hayward. Ronnie Mauricio. And Matt McClain. Okay, another Reds. What a uniform, man. It doesn't look like the Reds uniform I remember. I think it was red. Hey, there's a Kenya. Not sure. Pretty sure I already put one in my set, so, or in my personal collection. Got Bryce Harper. Those things. Oh, Masataka Yoshida. Those To the Moons are the big league version of Stars of MLB. They're in almost every freaking pack. You get a little tired of seeing them. Gunnar Henderson, Mookie, and George Brett. And whoever that guy is. The Obbies. Cool. We'll need another one of them. We got something else on there. Okay, Jordan Hicks on the orange. Charlie Marte. Francisco Lindor, Good Vibrations. And the Ozzy Albies card. I like that guy. Him and Acuna. I hope they stick around with the Braves for a long time to come, and I hope Acuna plays like he did last year. That's all I can say. Hard to imagine, but it'd sure be nice if he can. Junior Caminero, rookie card To the Moon. And Dansby Swanson, former Brave. Silver, or rainbow foil. I think that's what they call them in the, or silver foil. I don't know. I was looking at the checklist, but who knows. There's William Contreras. And Freddie Peralta. This is swinging for our San Diego Padres. I already got you too, man. I don't know if they do all 30 odd mascots, or if they only do half of them this year and half next year, maybe. Let's see if they got a number. Well, that's number 21, so I'm going to assume they do all of them, and I'm just having bad luck and getting the same 5 over and over. Anthony Rizzo foil. Smith Shawver. Wait. Full in the wrong stack. Foul. Orlando Arcia. Julio. Brett Batty. Andrew McCutcheon. And Anthony Rizzo. And that is one of the worst blasters. I really didn't get anything except the yellow base. Oh well. Let's see if the hobby pack can make up for that, huh? Well, Y'all know you're here for one reason, to build up to spine ticks. So, now another Ronald Acuna, just in case I do need one for the PC, I'll put it down there. Nolan and JD Martinez, and that was not a bit different than one of those value packs I just opened. Huh. That's how it goes with me in hobby packs when I buy them by themselves. So anyway, we're building up to spine ticks, who comes on later depending on what time zone you're in. Check below and you can see all the people that are coming up. Like Boyd's coming up next according to my list at 9 o'clock, and then there's going to be Brian Basketball, so you can't miss Brian. 23 Monk. Spine Ticks, of course, is the big show, and then as soon as Spine Ticks is finished, Sensei Domino comes on with the after party. So don't miss any of these guys. Be there. I'll be there. For now, you're watching me, and I've got just one more thing. So I went to Ollie's and ran into the Hulk. Yeah, it's the NWO stuff, but yeah, I already got the classic one. So the thing is, I couldn't not buy it when it's only $3.99. They had Ric Flair too, and I might just go back and get that as well, considering the price. Never was a big Flair fan. Love the Hulk though. The Hulkster. He was the man. There's a few little things I picked up at the antique mall this week. You can see 50 cents for a Dale Earnhardt Jr. Speed Weeks. An iconic All-Star Pete Rose card for 50 cents. Pretty sharp. Looks like it's fresh out of the pack. And then I got some of the Tom Glavines that I don't already have. I'm working on getting a Tom Glavine, a good, maybe not a master set, but a good big set. I always liked him and Avery and Maddox. And all these were $1 a piece. It's one of the early Bowman Chromes, 97 I guess. And the Topps Chrome from 99. Not sure what this came out of. Private stock. I think it's by Topps. Nope, Pacific. Okay. Nice looking card though to be a Pacific. And whatever this is. Fleer. Skybox Fleer. It was a quarter. How can you go wrong? And museum collection Phil Necro for $1.50. I got a few Phils. Him and Murphy are my old school players to collect. Some Eddie Matthews to go back further, and of course Hank Aaron. And then moving up, you got your Glavine, Maddox, Justice, Avery. All of the ones from the 92, 93, 94, 95 era that I so much enjoyed watching. Gotta love them Braves. And TBS for delivering them to our home every single day. Unlike now, where I don't ever get to watch them because I'm not paying. But anyway, I do have one more thing. I am called Random Rips because we randomly rip things. Do y'all even know what this is? I really don't, but there's a couple packs in here. Let's open them up and see what they look like. If Chance is around, he can tell us all about them, I bet. Or Aaron. Aaron's who I saw open some of these up, I think. I think Chance has too. Y'all let me know in the in the chat if you're here. Hey, 4-packs. You know what this cost me? $5.99, Best Buy clearance. I guess they wanted to get rid of these because Chapter 3 is out now. Apparently they weren't selling too good. But they do really look good. The artwork is pretty amazing. The Justice League Satellite. Oh, Damian Wayne, Robin. Atom Smasher. Dr. Fate. Looks like Pierce Brosnan to me. Oh, and a shiny one. Batman Earth 52. Looks like a cross between Batman and Red Tornado or something. It's pretty wild. I don't know what to be looking for in these, or if there's any that are of any value, but I do believe they look really cool. I've been meaning to look into the NFT aspect. Shade. Bruce Wayne's clone. Oh, a good old-fashioned Detective Comics. Black Adam logo. Black Adam and Hawkman. And another shiny one. Panel 2. I have no idea what that means, but that's kind of a letdown right there compared to the last one. Maybe it's a puzzle, you gotta put them together. Oh, Batgirl sketch. Arrow. Kryptonite Man possesses Batman. Savage. And a Firestorm logo. Justice Society of America. Cool. Shiva versus Nightwing. That looks awfully familiar, since it's exactly the same one I got it last time I opened some of these. And we got Red Hood. And that one again. And that one again. Pretty quick to be getting dupes, especially in the same little box. That's a cool Hawkman. I haven't got that yet. Oh look, we get 2 of them this time. A Dr. Fate foil. And a Black Adam. Well, that should do it. I just got to be close to 30 minutes now. It should be time for Center Hill cards to come showing up, or in case Center Hill's not doing something tonight, I'm sure somebody is stepping in and filling in. Don't know this much in advance. That's why I'd much rather do live, because I can just do whatever needs to be done. So, expect me to be live next week, and enjoy the rest of the night. Head on over to Center Hill and check out the show. See y'all there.